Hi, my name is Mateo and I work at Brock Solutions. I am here to walk you through the history of SmartSuite and the opportunities of the platform beyond baggage. But first, a little bit about Brock. We're a 30-year-old employee-owned company and the largest independent global integrator in the real-time digital space. We work with people who make things, who move things, and, as an integrator, we also work with a variety of partners. While we didn't know it at the time, the first SmartSuite product, SmartSort, was created way back in 1996 when we deployed a baggage management system for Dorval Airport, now Montreal Trudeau Airport. In the following years, SmartSort would continue to grow in the airport, postal service, and retail space, with customers including Canada Post, Walmart, CATSA, and several international airports across Canada and the US. In 2009, as we continued to launch new products and modules and our customer base grew, the SmartSuite platform was officially born. What started as just a baggage management system had now become a comprehensive suite of products that provided solutions for many other airport and airline operations, including SmartBag for baggage reconciliation and recovery, SmartDrop for automated bag drop, SmartPass for passenger verification, and SmartConnect for messaging. 10 years later, in 2019, the SmartSuite business unit was officially set up with 115 members to focus on our key product offerings. Today, SmartSuite stands as an enterprise platform for consolidated, real-time views of operations through a single pane of glass. With over 20 years of product development and more than 150 members on the SmartSuite team today, we are continuously expanding the capabilities of our product offerings. While many SmartSuite products and modules were designed for ramp and baggage solutions, the SmartSuite platform has become a mature framework whose functionality can be configured and repurposed for various other industries and operational needs. SmartSuite has real-time operational screens, a custom dashboard framework, advanced searches, third-party integration support, and an open data model. It has many administrative tools such as managing logins and user permissions, managing who has access to what data, and creating audit trails. Additionally, SmartSuite has a mobile-friendly design and can be deployed either on-prem or in the cloud. Having this built-in functionality allows us to rapidly accelerate development when working in new industries, whether it's seaports and terminals, parcel post, warehouse and distribution, or automated storage and retrieval systems, just to name a few. SmartPort is our latest product built upon the SmartSuite platform, bringing the airline industry's best practices to meet the end-to-end challenges across the port terminal environment. Like airport traffic control or the bridge of a ship, efficient port terminal operations need a holistic, real-time view with contextualized information. SmartPort generates intelligent data, increasing the connectivity, visibility, and capability of the operational staff, reducing time-consuming tasks, and thus improving the overall carbon footprint for ports. SmartPort brings capabilities to vessel management, vehicle loading, gate operations, vehicle track and trace, manifest management, and invoice automation. While SmartSuite is built for complete end-to-end fully integrated systems regardless of industry, we deploy our software using a modular approach. This reduces development time, allows for easier and more frequent updates, and promotes flexibility and scalability, all which allow us to provide value more quickly for our customers. And of course, tying everything together is SmartSuite Enterprise, enabling you to visualize your operations both historically and in real time to help answer difficult questions and provide you with concrete evidence of where your operations can be improved. Brock Solutions has the right experience, the right technologies, and the right approaches to help you, regardless of what industry you're in. We can break down the silos that exist between the systems across your network. Contact us to learn more about SmartSuite today.